Hello everyone, my name is Kelly Groover. I am a lemongrass consultant, still fairly new, joined at the beginning of June of 2023, and was actually diagnosed with breast cancer in May of 2023. So in my first few months with lemongrass, I am just learning what a wonderful company this is. And when I found out that they were doing the Hope Box, it really touched my heart to just know that I'm in a good place. Could not have happened at a better time in my life. Just it let me know that I made the right decision to join lemongrass when I did. So I'm really looking forward to trying all the goodies that are in the Hope Box. Here's what we've got. And promoting it to several friends and family. Unfortunately, I have several friends that have been diagnosed with breast cancer as well over the years. So if anything, probably will be treating them as to a box, or hopefully someone in their family will. But again, I'm so thankful and proud to be a part of the lemongrass family, and I can't wait to see what's to come.